Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing somewhat of like an unconventional video. So I am currently sick right now. I've been sick for like the last few days, but I still wanted to make sure that I get a video out this week. And I initially was supposed to do my draping video this week of the Breakfast at Tiffany's inspired dress, which I was really excited for, and I'm still really excited for. But since I'm really sick and I'm not able to go downstairs to do my draping and everything, I am going to do this video of me working on my sketches, because honestly I'm still trying to figure out how I want my silhouette to be for this dress. So before I can start draping, I have to start drawing anyway. So this is just going to be sort of like a b-roll time lapse of me sketching and figuring out the silhouette and drawing of this Breakfast at Tiffany's inspired dress. So I'm looking at my mood board right now. Well, sorry, before we get into that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more fashion and sewing videos, which will continue to be on this channel, and share with anybody that you know also enjoys fashion and sewing. So without further ado, I'm just going to get straight into it and start sketching and figuring out this silhouette. So like I was saying, right now I'm just looking at my mood board. I'm trying to figure out how I want the silhouette of this dress to be. Honestly, I'm like really at a crossroads, because I really do enjoy the original dress, which is this beautiful dress right here, and the back of it just looks so like clean, and it's just so elegant and classy. I want this dress to be, see, this is like the front view of the dress, the original dress, but I want the dress to be something that I can still wear, and not just like something for like cosplay or like make-believe or whatever. I want it to be something that I can still wear out for like events and stuff like that. So honestly, I'm really just gonna do a lot of sketching probably before I come up with a design, a final design of what I'm going to end up draping. So I think I'm going to start with making a sketch of the original first, then from there playing around with doing an off-the-shoulder kind of silhouette, and then maybe like a more fitted to straight silhouette, and then go from there and see what else I can come up with. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into the sketching. The program I'm gonna be using today is Procreate. I also have, this is my little templates that I use every time I sketch. But I also have Fashionary, or not Fashionary, Fashion Draw, which a lot of people have been talking about recently. I still haven't tried using it myself, but I'm planning on using it very soon. But for today, I'm going to use Procreate. So I was starting to sketch, and I realized that I want to continue to get some inspiration while I'm doing this. So I think I'm gonna probably put on the movie on my computer while I'm sketching, so that I can start to get some more inspiration. So I'm gonna put the movie on, and I'm gonna continue to sketch while I'm doing this, and hopefully some more things start to spark. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then get back to this.
A stick, a stone, it's the end of the road. It's the rest of a stump, it's a little alone. It's a sliver of glass, it is life, it's the sun. It is night, it is death, it's a trap, it's a gun. The oak when it blows,
a fox in the brush,
the knot of the wood,
the
thrush, the wood of the wing, the cliff, a fall.
Hey guys, okay, so I've been doing sketching for the last couple hours while I'm watching this video, or watching the movie, and so far I've came up with these designs, and I came up with these designs. But as I was sketching, I was thinking, and I was like, what I could do also, sorry, I just had to close my door. What I could do also is I made a Valentine's Day dress earlier this year, but I never made a video on it. So I was thinking, I feel like that could also be a really nice dress to do as my inspiration from the movie, because it's a very elegant and like classy kind of style. And like I said, I never made a video on how I made it like long form wise. So if I remade it, I would either make it in silk or make it in black velvet. Whatever dress I'm making, it's gonna be in all black obviously, but yeah, so I'd either make it in black velvet or silk, or even chiffon, or something that like fits my idea, but it's most likely gonna be black velvet or silk. But then I also made my birthday dress from 2 years ago. I never made a video on it long form wise, and I also, well, I posted like a short form version on my Instagram, but I feel like something like that could also be really nice too. So honestly, I'm still trying to figure this out. This is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I know a lot of like my sketches right now seem really bland, but it's because I sort of want to focus on the back, because her dress is more of like a back focus as well. So with all these dresses, I'm either thinking of low back, or like a bow in the back as like a statement piece, or a cowl neck in the back as like a statement thing. But something where there's an emphasis on the back, which is why the front looks pretty plain on all of these. So that's my idea. I'm still figuring it out. When this video comes out, I hopefully will have it figured out what I want to do, but I still may not have it figured out. I'm also going to post a poll on my Instagram so you guys can comment and tell me which ones you guys like the most, or if you have any other suggested ideas. I might even post this also on TikTok too. But yeah, so far still a little stuck, but I think that for now I'm just gonna stick with continuing to sketch a little bit more and thinking on if I want to possibly recreate those other two dresses I mentioned. So I think this will probably be the end of my video. This was a really short video. I apologize for that, but like I said, I just want to be able to get at least one video out since I'm sick and can't do the original video I want to do. I wanted to at least still get a video out. So hopefully this was somewhat of a entertaining video for you guys as you guys heard me explain and see where I'm at right now and get a little updates on me. But stay tuned on my Instagram and my TikTok, because I'm gonna post on there to get more advice or opinions of what you guys like or don't like with the sketches I have. But yeah, so I think this will be a wrap for my video. I hope you guys continue to have a great rest of your weekend, better than I will have since I'll be staying at home. And I hope you guys just enjoy the rest of your day today. So I'll see you guys next week, and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.